Hey guys, this is my Hassan and welcome to my channel Hassan Academy. So this question already I discussed before also, one video it is there. This question came APMC 2022. What they are really asking, the compound or ion which is not aromatic in the following. So this question already answer is there, you can go through. But the thing is, from my experience of giving so many national level exam and qualifying 4 different national level exam, that what I really understand and what is the reality of competitive exam is they are asking most of the question from same concept only, but the thing is they are only changing the question pattern. So if last year they asked regarding aromaticity one question, that means this year or next year or upcoming years also there is a very good possibility that they will ask something regarding aromaticity. Okay, if last year they are asking which is not aromatic, this year they may ask what is anti-aromatic or non-aromatic. So regarding that I will explain little bit theory, so that no matter whatever they are going to ask from this concept, you can get at least one correct answer. Okay, so see here they have given 4 options and they are asking which is not aromatic. Not aromatic means it can be anti-aromatic and it can be non-aromatic also. So among these two, anything is that is other than aromatic only. See here I am going to tell you how you will find out which is aromatic. So for aromatic, first of all, the first condition that compound should be cyclic. If you draw one compound, suppose this is one compound, okay, so it is not cyclic. So no matter 6 pi electron is there, but since it is not cyclic, it can't be aromatic. So first condition, if it is not fulfilling, it is not aromatic, neither it is going to be anti-aromatic also. So it will directly go for non-aromatic or some other compound. Okay, see here for aromatic first compound cyclic. If cyclic is fulfilled, suppose this benzene I am taking as a example, benzene I am taking as an example, so it is cyclic. Then planar, yes, benzene is planar. I already said how you can find out planar or not from the hybridization. If it is sp2 or sp hybridized, then only planar. And in benzene, all the 6 carbon is sp2 hybridized. After that, what you need to see, 4n plus 2 is equal to number pi electron. So here, how many pi electron is there? 6. So here I already written what are the different pi electron which will be aromatic. 2, 6, 10, 14, 18. If this pattern is coming, then it will be aromatic. Here n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Be remember, for aromatic n starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. For anti-aromatic, this n starts from 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So see here one thing. So aromatic I am giving 2 examples. One is benzene, another one is this compound. What is this compound name? This compound name is cyclopropynyl cation. Cyclopropynyl cation. Cyclopropynyl cation 2 pi electron is there. Many one may think that this is not aromatic. Since if you put here 0, n value 0, then 4 into 0, 0 only plus 2. So 2 also possible for aromatic. So this is aromatic. Okay, be careful. This type of compound they are asking again and again. Here only I am saying one more thing. If they are giving cyclopropynyl anion, suppose here I am drawing, let's come to anti-aromatic. Here I am saying cyclic should be there. This is first condition must fulfill here. Here also cyclic, then planar must be there. Okay, this 2 is fulfilled. Then what will happen? 4n equal to pi electron and n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Since it is they are saying 4n, the n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, then it should be 4, 8, 12, 16 like this total electron. Okay, you can see this compound here only 4 electron is there, and this is cyclopropynyl anion. Here also 2 pi electron, and due to negative charge 2 more electron is there, total 4 electron. Since it is 4 electron, these both of this example are anti-aromatic. Now let's come to non-aromatic. What is non-aromatic compound? Non-aromatic compound, either it won't be cyclic, or even it is cyclic, it won't be planar. So how you will know it is not planar? It will be sp3 hybridized, something like that. Okay, what is this compound? This compound is non-aromatic. This is cyclopentadienyl. Not diene, sorry, this is only cyclopentadiene. Okay, this is cyclopentadiene is non-aromatic because this carbon is sp3 hybridized. Okay, be careful. If I put here positive charge, this one, our first example here, then it is cyclopentadienyl cation. Cyclopentadienyl cation is anti-aromatic since it is 4 pi electron is there. Then one more cyclopentadienyl anion. This example, this is aromatic because 2, 4, 6 electron is there. So hope you already understand what is all this. This is aromatic, this is anti-aromatic, and this is non-aromatic. If possible, take a screenshot. So before exam, you can go through this and you will easily get few marks. Thank you for watching this video and keep sharing. Thank you.